Hello, my name is Kate Mangione. I'm a professor in the physical therapy department. May is Older Americans Month. This is the time in our country when we celebrate the countless contributions that older adults make to our communities. The theme for 2020 is Make Your Mark, which highlights the contributions that everyone can make in the lives of older adults. As a physical therapist and a gerontologist, I have been particularly concerned about older adults during the COVID epidemic. The CDC has provided wonderful information on staying healthy during the quarantine, what to do if you develop symptoms, and even features on loneliness and social isolation. These are all so important, but what I believe is missing in this public health message is the relative lack of activity older adults face in this time of isolation. I just finished working with a group of our second-year DPT students for a class presentation on COVID-19 and heard many personal stories that are representative of what is happening to older adults across the country. A relative reduction in activity levels is especially problematic for older adults. Aging itself is associated with changes in muscle strength, joint motion, cardiovascular capacity, and motor control. Regular physical activity, outlined by the CDC, helps keep older adults functioning independently. In fact, there is strong evidence demonstrating that physical activity reduces the risk of fall-related injuries by 32 to 40%, including those severe falls which result in hospitalization. Regular physical activity effectively helps older adults. The question is, how can we encourage and facilitate activity in older adults who have widely different access and understanding of technology, different areas of exercise knowledge, and even environmental conditions? If the older adult has a cell phone, we could send text reminders. Daily phone calls are always welcome as they help to lessen the isolation burden, as well as serve as a reminder to be more active. We have printed material with specific exercises that can be downloaded and have collected some online resources for those who have internet access. Some simple examples of a message that could be sent via text would be, are you sitting down reading the paper? Why not stand up and read the paper at the kitchen counter? Or take advantage of the natural breaks in daily life. If you're watching TV and a commercial comes on, stand up and walk through all the rooms in your house. Or mimic what the characters on the TV show do. When the character stands, you stand. If you're a reader and you like to read a newspaper or a book, take a walking or a standing break at the end of a chapter or at the end of a story. Another simple suggestion would be every time that one goes to sit down, just do 3 more, up, down, up, down, up, down, before beginning the new show or the book or the meal. The students and I have one goal in mind during Older American Month. Help us help older adults by sharing our resources and suggestions with them. Help your parents, your grandparents, and neighbors to remain physically active.